Hey, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to Too Much Tech. And in today's video we're going to be reviewing the Flexispot height adjustable desk. Huge shout out to Flexispot for sending out this desk for review as well. It's been a big help using it for the past few weeks or so, and I want to let you guys know what my thoughts were. So first off, let's go ahead and talk about the build quality as well as the options that you're available to get this desk in, because there are a lot of them. So there's 9 different color options available, and then you do have 3 different options in terms of the leg colors. You do have 2 different sizes available as well. There is a 48 by 24, which is the one that I have here today, and then there's a 48 by 30, which is a lot deeper, which is something that I would recommend if you're gonna go with like a big mouse pad or desk mat, or if you have a monitor that takes up a lot of space on your desk. And believe it or not, the bigger size is not that much more money anyway, so it's definitely 110% worth getting the bigger size. The build quality is very good, especially with these solid metal legs that are extremely sturdy and they really don't move at all, and it can support up to 154 pounds on the desk as well. You do have a 3/4 inch work surface, or tabletop I'll say. That also comes in 3 different materials. You got bamboo, you've got fiberboard, and you've also got chipboard available as well, just depending on the color option that you pick. Having the option to be able to sit or stand while using this desk and get it perfectly comfortable to you is excellent. You do have 20 inches of range, so no matter how tall or short you are, you will be able to get it to your perfect height. The motors are also really smooth as well, so it's not very jarring when you stop or start the motion to move the desk up and down. One thing that I cannot stress enough is how easy this desk is to put together. There's literally 4 bolts on each side of the desk, and that's it. All you do is you screw in those 4 bolts for the legs into the frame of the desk with the included tool, and then you hang the power supply on the bracket that's pre-installed for you. Really easy to do. The instructions are in the box if you need any additional help, but it's very easy. The tools included in the box. There's nothing additional you really need to learn or do. It's up and running in about 15 minutes. And then additionally, they do include a 5-year warranty for the frame and then a 2-year warranty for the controller, which is really nice for longevity, especially since nowadays everybody is working at home. In case something happens, you want to know that you're covered. Did I mention that this desk is currently under $260 right now? I mean, that is just insane how good of a value that is. Even if this desk was the full price of about $300, I still think that that is a fair price. I have another desk, albeit the desk is bigger, but even the smaller sizes were still twice the price of what this desk is currently. And this offers a very similar level of quality. And I mean, if you need something for gaming, for working at home, or just productivity, something to use as a work desk that's very ergonomic for you, I would highly recommend giving the Flexispot EC9 a chance and at least taking a look at the online listing, because they have a ton of different color options. That's always a good thing, because everybody's got a different look that they want to achieve with their setup, and now it's important for it to be aesthetically pleasing. It's nice to have options. And this is also super convenient to have as well, because this is something that will help you increase productivity, obviously increase your enjoyment of doing whatever you're doing, and it will also decrease the amount of time during the day that you're being sedentary. So it's just all around a win-win. It's a good price, it's great quality, and you got a lot of options. I don't see anything really wrong with the Flexispot EC9, in my opinion. So if you're looking for a new desk for your setup or your office, I will go ahead and check them out. I will leave a link to the desk obviously in the description below, so you guys can check it out yourself. This video is going up during the holiday time as well, and I do want to mention one more thing concerning the pricing of this desk as well. More or less, it's just because Flexispot is going to be having some deals given that Black Friday weekend. So if you guys are interested in saving even more money on getting a quality height adjustable desk that doesn't break the bank, then feel free to look in the description for the details of the deals that they'll be having going on during the holiday season. That's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and stay tuned for other videos coming very soon on the channel. Again, I want to thank Flexispot for sending out this desk for review. It is a really good product. I highly recommend it. Thank you guys once again for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.